welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, click like, subscribe. My name's Joe. I do motorcycle related content, whether it's building bikes, riding bikes, going various adventures, gear reviews and different things. Just another perspective, another opinion, and yeah, welcome. If you aren't new here, make sure you like the video, it really helps the channel out. And yeah, so today's video is purely just to let you know that I am back. I didn't go for long, but there's a good philosophy that I've heard quite a few times from Jim Cornette. Might not mean anything to you, but how am I going to miss you if you don't go away? So yeah, but I'm back. We're back making content. We're out in the British countryside, and yeah. So today I want to let you know that in around 2 to 3 weeks time there'll be some content coming out. I'm heading off. We're going to go and do a ridiculous green lane. That's me and Luke and some other familiar faces, and yeah, get the scrambler good and messy as it was supposed to be. There'll be some camping involved. I'm going to do some videos about prepping the bike, some videos packing on the bike, making sure that I've got everything I need, and we'll cover the journey out there, the activities, and then the journey home. So full adventure on the Works channel from start to finish, and that series will begin as you're seeing this, it's Sunday, so that series will begin on Thursday. Just starting to get the bike ready and all that sort of thing. So if you're not subscribed, hit that button and hit the little bell icon. That will let you know when new videos come out, whether it's in that particular series, which won't be part of the original Trying to Build series. So if you're just notified of that playlist, you might miss them, so make sure you get the notification from the channel. Yeah, so we're going to be doing that. Also, on the subject of that, we don't know yet, Luke may or may not be on his new motorbike. So he hasn't bought it yet, but there's a possibility that he might buy a bike, so let's see what occurs there. So yeah, if you haven't done already, click like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Sorry to keep hammering that home, but it's important, it matters to the channel. It's how the channel grows and how the community grows. And if you haven't commented below yet and you are a subscriber and you're watching the videos, give us a comment, let us know who you are, where you are, and how you found the channel. I'm intrigued to find out. So that was just a quick brief one. Just wanted to let you know that information, and yeah, keep your eyes open. So take it easy, guys.